LLV. Today, I'm gonna start removing this light bar shit because, you know, that's janky. The relay for it's janky. I hate all of it, but my turning signals still don't work. So I'm gonna get rid these switches to run my turning signals. They're already labeled right and left. Convenient. Maybe I'll even wire this one to be a horn since that's also intermittent. I don't have the puller tool for this yet. And for the sake of getting turning signals on this thing so I can drive it, might as well. So I'm gonna show it functioning. Warning lights. There's one up front here. Come around back. We got flashers. We got the light bar doing its wiggle waggle. Turn to right. It vaguely starts kind of pointing right on the light bar. Turn to left. It vaguely kind of points left. Amazing. That's that shit show. Time to pull it. One relay, one mini. Probably we're using some of this wiring for our jank conversion here. Oh good, it's split loom on split loom. This all runs up. It actually runs along. One right here. Oh boy. Boop. Alright, I already tested this. There's all my junk leftover wire. I'll save some of that junk then. Plugged it all in. Horn works. Right turning signal. It even shows right. Left turning signal. It even shows left now. Great, I have turning signals. Excellent. Now to finish pulling out all this wire, I'm just gonna pull in the back and I'll remove the lights later when I have time to seal the holes. This is it. I guess that's all of it for today. I'm gonna clean my mess and tidy up this wiring and throw it in the back. Have a good one.